To remain in YouTube, we have to need some knowledge as well as some tricks. Tag use is a part of video viral. So viewers, in this video I'll show you how to use viral tags. Viewers, you are watching Tasan's Unique Tech YouTube channel. I'm with you, Tasan. So let's start the video. Hope you will enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like this video, share this video with friends, give your feedbacks about the video in the comment box, and smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.